For years, spreadsheets have been the go-to tool for organizing information. We've all been there, wrestling with rows and columns, trying to make sense of project timelines, budgets, and tasks in a program designed primarily for number crunching. But in today's fast-paced, collaborative work environments, relying solely on Excel for project management is like trying to build a house with only a hammer. You can get some things done, but it's inefficient, prone to errors, and ultimately limits what you can achieve. Enter Smartsheet, a dynamic work management platform that takes the familiar interface of a spreadsheet and supercharges it with powerful project management features. If you're currently juggling projects in Excel and feeling the strain, it's time to explore why Smartsheet could be the upgrade your workflow desperately needs. As a project management expert, I can tell you that the shift from Excel to Smartsheet can be a transformative step towards greater efficiency, collaboration, and project success. Let's break down the key reasons why Smartsheet stands head and shoulders above Excel for managing projects. 1. Built for collaboration, not just calculation. Excel, at its core, is a single-user application. While you can share files, real-time collaboration and simultaneous editing are clunky and often lead to version control nightmares. Imagine multiple team members trying to update task statuses or budget figures in the same Excel sheet. It quickly becomes a recipe for confusion and errors. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is designed for collaboration from the ground up. Multiple stakeholders can access and edit the same sheet simultaneously, with changes reflected in real time. Features like commenting, file attachments directly linked to tasks, and automated update requests foster seamless communication and keep everyone on the same page. This collaborative environment eliminates the endless back-and-forth emails and ensures everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. 2. Visualizing your project with ease. While Excel offers basic charting capabilities, visualizing complex project timelines and dependencies can be cumbersome. Creating Gantt charts or Kanban boards often involves intricate formatting and manual adjustments. Smartsheet shines in its ability to transform raw data into insightful visual representations effortlessly. With a few clicks, you can switch between grid views, Gantt charts, calendar views, and even Kanban boards. This visual clarity provides a holistic understanding of project progress, dependencies, and potential roadblocks, enabling proactive decision-making. For educational purposes, this visual aspect makes complex project structures much easier to grasp and analyze. 3. Automation that saves you time and reduces errors. Manual data entry and repetitive tasks are the bane of any project manager's existence. Updating task statuses, sending reminders, and generating reports in Excel often consume valuable time that could be better spent on strategic activities. Smartsheet's robust automation capabilities free you from these tedious tasks. You can set up automated workflows to send out reminders for upcoming deadlines, trigger status updates when a task is completed, move tasks between Kanban board columns, and even generate automated reports. This not only saves time but also significantly reduces the risk of human error, ensuring data accuracy and consistency, crucial elements for educational demonstrations of project management principles. 4. Streamline task management and accountability. Tracking individual task assignments and progress in Excel can be a logistical nightmare. You might find yourself relying on color coding, multiple tabs, or manual tracking to understand who is responsible for what and whether deadlines are being met. Smartsheet offers dedicated task management features. You can assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, track progress with clear status indicators, and even manage dependencies between tasks. This level of detail ensures clear accountability and provides a transparent view of individual contributions to the overall project success. For educational purposes, this clarity makes it easy to illustrate concepts like responsibility matrices and critical path analysis. 5. Powerful reporting and analytics at your fingertips. Generating insightful reports from Excel data often requires advanced formula knowledge and manual data manipulation. Creating dashboards that provide a real-time overview of project health can be a time-consuming and complex process. Smartsheet boasts powerful reporting and analytics features that are accessible to users of all skill levels. You can easily create customized reports to track key metrics, identify trends, and gain valuable insights into project performance. Dashboards provide a visual snapshot of critical information, allowing stakeholders to quickly understand the project status and make informed decisions. This ease of reporting makes Smartsheet an excellent tool for demonst.